In the evolving world of digital finance, safety and security are paramount concerns for anyone managing their money. Wise, formerly TransferWise, has gained immense popularity for its transparent and cost-effective international money transfers and multi-currency accounts. However, a common question arises: is Wise safe? As a finance expert, I understand the importance of trust when it comes to your money. Let's thoroughly examine the safety measures and regulatory framework surrounding Wise to help you make an informed decision. Wise is not a bank, but it's highly regulated. The first and most crucial point to understand is that Wise is not a traditional bank. This distinction is vital for understanding how your money is protected. Traditional banks operate under full banking licenses and typically offer deposit insurance schemes, like FDIC in the US or FSCS in the UK, that guarantee your deposits up to a certain limit in the event of bank failure. Wise, on the other hand, operates as an e-money institution, EMI, and a money services business, MSB. This means it is regulated by financial authorities in every country it operates in, but under a different set of rules than a conventional bank. These regulations are designed to ensure the safety of your funds and prevent financial crimes. Here's a look at Wise's regulatory landscape. Global regulation. Wise holds licenses and is regulated by authorities worldwide. For instance, in the UK, Wise is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. In the European Economic Area, EEA, it's regulated by the National Bank of Belgium. In the US, it's registered with FinCEN and various state regulators. In Australia, it's regulated by ASIC. Similar regulatory bodies oversee Wise's operations in Canada, Japan, Singapore, and many other countries. This extensive network of regulation means Wise is subject to strict rules and oversight, ensuring compliance with local financial laws designed to protect consumers. Safeguarding. How your money is protected. Since Wise doesn't offer traditional deposit insurance, it employs a method called safeguarding to protect your funds. This is a critical security measure for all e-money institutions. Here's how safeguarding works. Segregated accounts. When you deposit money into your Wise account, your funds are held in separate accounts at reputable, established banks like JP Morgan Chase and Barclays. These accounts are entirely distinct from Wise's own operational funds. This means that Wise cannot use your money for its own business operations or investments. Secure liquid assets. A significant portion of safeguarded funds is also invested in secure, low-risk liquid assets, such as government bonds from stable economies, e.g., EU, UK, and US government bonds, and money market funds. These assets are easily convertible to cash, ensuring your money remains readily available. Protection in case of insolvency. Because your money is held separately and not lent out, unlike a bank. In the unlikely event that Wise were to become insolvent, your funds would be distinct from Wise's assets and could be returned to you. This is a key difference from a bank, where if a bank fails, deposit insurance is the primary protection. Think of safeguarding as a dedicated vault for your money, managed by Wise, but ultimately separate from their day-to-day business finances. Robust security measures and technology. Beyond regulatory compliance and safeguarding, Wise implements several layers of advanced security to protect your account and transactions. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. This is a standard but highly effective security measure. When you log in or initiate a transfer, Wise requires a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone or a confirmation through their mobile app. This makes it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account even if they somehow obtain your password. Encryption. Wise uses bank-level encryption technology to protect your personal and financial data. This means that sensitive information transmitted between your device and Wise's servers is scrambled, preventing unauthorized access. Dedicated anti-fraud teams. Wise employs large teams of anti-fraud specialists who work around the clock, utilizing advanced machine learning and monitoring systems to detect and prevent suspicious activity. They perform millions of checks daily to identify and stop potential fraud. Real-time notifications. You receive instant notifications for all transactions made with your Wise account or debit card, allowing you to quickly identify any unauthorized activity. Customizable card controls. The Wise debit card comes with features that enhance security, such as the ability to freeze and unfreeze your card instantly via the app if it's lost or stolen. You can also set spending limits and use digital cards for online purchases with unique details. Account verification. Wise implements rigorous Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, processes during account creation and for certain transactions. This involves verifying your identity and the source of your funds, which helps prevent fraudulent accounts and illegal activities. Independent audits. Wise undergoes regular independent audits to assess its security systems and financial practices, ensuring ongoing compliance and identifying potential vulnerabilities. What about customer reviews and trust? While security measures and regulations are essential, real-world customer experiences also provide valuable insight. Wise generally receives positive reviews for its safety and reliability on platforms like Trustpilot, with a high overall rating from millions of reviews. However, like any large financial service provider, there are occasional negative reviews. These often pertain to account suspensions or delays. Sometimes, Wise might temporarily suspend an account or delay a transfer due to security checks, identity verification requirements, or compliance with international sanctions. While frustrating for the user, these actions are often necessary to maintain the platform's security and comply with regulations. Customer service experiences. Some users report challenges with customer service, particularly when dealing with complex issues. It's important to note that these instances, while impactful for the individuals involved, typically represent a small fraction of the millions of transactions processed by Wise. The overwhelming majority of users experience smooth and secure service.